Guys, I hope you pray for Elon. Oh man, did you just hear the news? If you didn't, this is gonna be a little bit of an interesting one. Anyways guys, welcome back, and as always, thank you for tuning into the channel. Okay, so Elon Musk, if you don't know who he is, he's like the guy who's trying to put 1 billion people on Mars, colonize Mars. He also has a pretty cool electric car driving around town here and there. He's got a company where he bores holes underground. He's got a company where he likes to put solar panels on things. He's doing a couple things here and there. And he also, like Donald Trump, enjoys a little bit of Twitter in his pastime. So last week he tweeted good morning, among other things, and then he eventually dropped a gigantic bombshell on the entire world, mostly the stock market world, by saying he wants to get Tesla private at 420, funding secured. Okay, so this tweet has been getting a lot of news. If you watch any or hear any news on the stock market, watch, read anything, literally headlines every single day are like Tesla turmoil and all these other things. People are just talking about Tesla 24/7 and what Elon Musk said. And today's a pretty big day. It's been a lot of chatter, but today's a big day because the SEC just sent a subpoena to Elon Musk. Yup, you heard it. They subpoenaed Tesla. Oh, damn, it's getting serious. Let me read you the article. So the article goes, the SEC just subpoenaed Elon Musk over his Tesla tweets. We thought it was coming, but now the moment is finally here. The Securities and Exchange Commission, aka the SEC, has officially subpoenaed Elon Musk and other members on Tesla's board of directors. Last week, Musk tweeted that he had secured funding to take Tesla private. Whether or not he does has been the subject of some debate since, and crucially, he also specified the price of which that would happen, $420 a share. This, as it turns out, might be more than just a bad weed joke. Some have speculated that old Muskie, what a weird nickname, had planned to drive up the price of Tesla stock because after all, that's exactly what happened, and at least until and after the stocks were frozen. Well, if that was Musk's plan, it wasn't a very good one, because that would be fraud, and it may not work out for him in the long run. As Fox Business reports, it seems the federal government has opened a formal investigation into the company to learn whether or not Musk's tweet broke the law. The day after Musk tweets, the SEC was already rumored to have made initial inquiries into the company and its CEO. This subpoena does not inherently mean that any wrongdoing has occurred, merely that the SEC suspects that it may have. That's a key word right there, that it may have. And if Tesla's board members were as blindsided by Musk's announcement as the New York Times reports, bored to Elon, stop tweeting. There may be something to investigate after all. We will update this article as the story develops. So what do we learn from that report? Well, we learned a couple things. We learned that he may get into trouble. Alright, so in that article it mentioned that he might have tweeted that to drive the price up. That's true. He could have. But me personally, I don't think they're going to be able to convict him of that. Let's be real. They're not going to be able to convict him of that. How? How are you going to convict him of that? The only way he can get in trouble here is if he traded, which I can bet my last dollar. I might keep my last dollar just in case, but I'm pretty sure I'd bet my last dollar that he did not trade the stock. They said he made around, not in this article, but in another article, it said that technically this is the most profitable tweet ever. Apparently he made around $800 million, or around $91 million per word when you break it down. That's pretty crazy. So this is technically the most profitable tweet of all time. However, since then, Tesla has come down literally to where it was that day. It's kind of funny. The stock went as high as the 380s, and now it's down to the 330s in a week. So you go up over 10%, and then you come down over 10% in a week. I don't know, man. If you watch my other videos on Tesla, you know that I'm pretty bearish on Tesla, and I think you should stay away, especially if it goes private. I don't deal with that stuff. What to do with Tesla? Okay, so if you hold the stock and you bought it at a low price, say like the 250s or whatever, you're good. I'd say hold on to it. If you bought it around the 3s, I'd start maybe looking for an exit point. And if you bought it around the 350s, good luck to you, in my opinion. You're probably going to make your money back. I'll tell you that much, though. I don't think you're going to lose money. I think more than likely the stock will go up to 420 eventually. It's almost a fact. But remember that this company is still not profitable. It's a very big thing to remember. It's still not profitable, okay? Still. He said every quarter going forward they plan to be profitable. I hope he comes true on that. I hope he's telling the truth and that happens. Honest to God, I really do. I like the car company. I don't want this stock to do bad by all means. This stock, and right now, there's smoke, you know? And when there's smoke, there's fire type thing. So it doesn't even really matter. Like, let's be real. Elon's not gonna get kicked off the Tesla board or whatever. He's not. It's just not gonna happen. What he should do is he should probably, you know, keep his mouth shut a little bit and just maybe be a bit more reserved. You know, he always gets mad at the short sellers because Tesla's the most shorted stock in the stock market. You know, he gets mad at that, but honestly, I don't know why. Like, I get it, it's your baby, it's your company. Like, he takes it to heart, but, you know, it is what it is, right? I don't know why he gets, like, I do, but I don't. But, you know, the guy just needs to chillax, I think. Anyways, I don't think much will happen from this. More than likely, worst case scenario, he's probably going to get a fine if that happens. And that's about it. I don't see anything else really happening. A fine, and that's it. Really, that's it. But in the meantime, I don't even care about that stuff too much. I mean, it matters, but I care about what's going to happen to the stock, okay? Because I like to judge businesses and companies, right? You know, the other stuff, you know, it's kind of around there, but I don't deal with that stuff too much. So what's going to happen with Tesla stock? Again, under 300, I think you're good. Over 300, maybe look for an exit point. Just my opinion. Take it or leave it. It's free advice, right? If you bought it like way up at the 380 mark, I'm sorry. That sucks. But again, you're probably not going to get burned on this stock realistically. It's going to go back up. The company's going to stay around. They'll be all right. Everyone talks like this company's going bankrupt tomorrow. It's not. It's a good company. It's a good car. If it was a terrible car, okay, he's probably screwed. Like, he's fucked. Straight up. But it's a good car. I mean, I've never driven one, but, you know, I sat inside, played around. It looks fun. I saw videos, whatnot. I don't have that many rich friends that have Teslas, so I can't test it out, man. Maybe one day, though. Anyways, guys, until next time, if you do like this video, though, please do hit the like button. I would really, really appreciate it. Also, please comment down below your thoughts and theories. What do you think is going to happen? Is he going to get a fine? Will nothing happen? Will something happen? Is he going to get fired? Is Tesla going to go bankrupt? Are they going to become the next trillion-dollar company? What's going to happen? I don't know. Who knows? Tune in next time, right? Anyways, guys, as always, if you like this video, please do also, if you want, smash that subscribe button. Also, super appreciated. You don't even know. If you want, you can share this video. That's also totally cool and really appreciated. Help this channel grow too. Anyways, guys, till next time, see you later and have a great day.